Mon Dieu! The audacity. Look at her, Khaleesi. She has the nerve to slumber on the second armchair. My sacred plush territory. I admit, she has a certain je ne sais quoi, and my heart may beat a little faster when she passes by. But love does not grant one a seat at the royal table. These armchairs are reserved for nobility, for grandeur, for me. She belongs on the floor, or perhaps a humble cushion. To treat my palace like a common dormitory, it is a violation of every protocol. Her beauty is no excuse for such anarchy. This is unacceptable. Don't miss the next scandal. Follow the Monseigneur.